Lois Academy Kisii yere milimani angena milimani SDA neskuru yekerero yoburuso ibwata aborokia begiribuya ire asatoerero aborokiwa bagosomera nigo bobwete kigari cyobosombi asebali bakurware amache yuweshibya naboigo konywa chinyomba cyakebara chinchenu kigima ribagarisa ine ryaborokiwa kogosoria negukinibye byabo mbabwate abarindi aseskuru yo naboigo nkurwa bali echai ya sanne na lunch kubwate bali omurubyo CBC ayerera bwango onyorori bakasi skuru yo omwano abegati yabali abake bakonyora migiryo yibirenko bigoro.
Hi everyone, my name is Victor Makoli, head teacher Lois Academy. In this school, we offer quality education and nurture learners' talents. In fact, this is home away from home. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Welcome all.
Nabokuba kiresimi asinamba enoti Isano na Ibere Ibere mara kabiri Isano na isato Ibere Isano na Ibere ayemo Gusii enoti Isano na Ibere isato Ibere ayeme noti Lois Academy Kisii. Knowledge is power. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Mwanchu murigereria bwigetaseni kya Ndizi TV na okwaniria ndonsi asoberete Chinsa chabano mubaso litukone lya Jumapili tariki 5 nemo mutenyino yo 5 na 3 mwaka bw'ekirwi 2023 chinga kibonongo kwaregania aiga semesa ito ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere tumanye naraliaya agendete gokoreka ime na isiko ya rugongoro Gusii gosense ya Kenya. Ekero no mwanchu murigereria lituko lya igoro ense ya Kenya yanyorete na guchengera lituko lya Twins Mother's Day abo asaba iboli bonsi bali babwata bana chibarongo baganeretiwe Amayia nabo iga bana bu abanyene ekero no bakwerera ali bagendete gwetera chingaki baiboire chibarongo. Happy Twins Mother's Day asaba iboli mwensi bali mubwate abana chibarongo gotigana nayo boigo nyora ene wiki ya World Breastfeeding Week abwase musubati akunyorwa bene anene bali bakora imirimo ngana kibono baranyara ko babagutwara chinga kichinyororo elyo wikira nimirimo yabo bune bwenerete mbako nakogenda sichinka na ende guchia kogonkia abana ayonsi mwanchu murigereria nali agenderete imeyense ya Kenya kurende lituko lya rero asensemo ya Sagana Lodge ime county ya Nyeri omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto na babwata nikoro azmi kuro Kenya kwanza nigo bagendete kumirana asamasabo yobwamo nyoro muraibwense nigare taro ya lituko lya kabere ase orogongo rwa Mount Kenya semitandao tonyore Ndizi TV News Digital yonensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News ensemo ya YouTube na ende bogo tweet @Ndizi TV News na kwareganirie ngoina ndasege keke kerebosyo egere nkumanya mange. Nchini konkoro kwa sara Nyarangi Ontita nole tokubwatera nakomo kwenekia kwa nyorire gwetera senchira ya Mariogine chibicha nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta ekero toko ya chaka korwase county ya Nyeri enseme ya Sagana Lodge asumraibwense Dr. Ruto n'ababwatani baye ba Kenya Kwanza n'abamenyi kuri asensemeyo bagenderete guikirana asamasabo y'erituko lya rero Jumapili maiga yayo muraibwense n'akagere gocha kugendereria na gocha kimerobelyo asorgongo inyurandi gara setaro ya matukatano iyo yachagete rituko lya igoro chinga kikirane tase county iyo asensemo ya Karatina ne Chinsa mochinde tigango torona lya yagenderete asensemo ya Sagana Lodge. Muligereria miaka 25 korwa ense ya Kenya nyora soboko ngwobonene mwaka 1997 ekere bom ase embassy ya US yanyartiko bage kolipukana waita bakenya bange nabo igo gotigera abande chingoma agoika bono abande kobe birema na abande gotigerwa chingoma ao aboli tkoligoro nigensemo ya bakenya bali bautetie amakweli chinga kichomo basukano yo gosege korekyo kyanya abanyartiko bakumirana amone committee ye Senate eli abe kwensemo kuligereria ngana kia bakenya abo baranyariko baba kwegwengeri yabo korwa sense ya US committee korawa no governor gosomo senator we county ya Machakos Agnes Kavindu gati yabali bakwanete asanseme yo nigo batebiro baeteira mangana mange ekyagera bange nigo batige tubare meuko abande birema nagosiria mabaga yemeremo yabo ekero barenge asobokorari nigo bono basabire umuraibwense ne committee ya Senate yachorire banyarako babakobwatya weika ense ya US gose serikali ya US yanyarako bage kubaengeria gose compensation money bachakere na kogendereria ubugima bwabo.
I lost my career. I had to undergo depression because life was very difficult. I got a baby after 2 months in October, a baby girl called Bahati.
She doesn't know how I look like. Suddenly she had to depend on other people for survival. She could not do anything for herself. Her husband left with everything, left her alone with me because he could not take the pressure since so much had changed.
This life has come to an standstill. He's there taking care of me. I have lost my friends and my relatives. If you call them, they think you are begging them to assist you.
We've come together to speak one voice because we've been forgotten. We were not fighting with anybody, but we were victims. The Americans were fighting with Al-Qaeda.
Chinga kibono chukuru ibrengererio byabo iguru yali baeterete kuru mwaka 1997 nigo mo senator we county ya Machakos Agnes Kavindu oyuro moteneneri ase committee yo ekobwatya banyorenga abana gosaba Kenya abo banyariko bagwakanwa ebasa yabo na serikali yense ya America abo asate birenga umraibu yense Dr. William Ruto nigagendete kubabwatesia weika bachikumirana na serikali yo asama tukabari amatukama karibusyo asibara chigokwana na barabona kwene kia abuna aba Abakenya babatigiritwe chingoma chintindi banyorire ng'ere yabo banyare ko bakwegendereria asubugima bwabo.
We are also planning to see our president, who I know, he knows that we are having this motion and he knows what we are having this discussion, and I know he will give us fully backup. We know even the opposition will give us full backup. And we are going to do whatever is possible for us as a committee and as a Senate to make sure that we go and meet the Senate in the United States so that they can also include us in this fund, which should give us the leeway because Kenya was not included in it.
I believe there are things the government can do. Most of these children now, some are with situations where they are now persons with disability. Under the affirmative action and the requirement that 5% of employment in Kenya must consider persons with disability, this is where government can quickly intervene.
Omu waziri uteneleta mangana ye chigosori mense ya Kenya Ababu na Mwamba litukore igoro amona babuatani au bechigosori mbatarete geti ye chigosori ya Kipchego Keino ekegotoka se county ya Uasin Gishu. Kolengana no mawaziri oyo nigae negative na mange na bwenerete gokorwa ase getie kyo ase baro chibne getie kyo nge chikonyara kobage ko ringoliwa nabo igogo chiako aregania chigosori echiche kombe kia Africa gose AFCON 2027 asa tebirena goika bagasane na kwene kiabuna onse ikiranire maega bataracha gwancherwa gochiako aregania chigosori echo chikageire gocha okorekana asegetie kyo ya Kipchege Keino.
Bit of rehabilitation of the tartan track to ensure that athletics can take place on the track. There's a bit of work in the pavilion with tiling and painting and fittings of electricals and bathroom facilities. So we can confidently say that if the contractor moves at the pace he's moving, we should be able to be ready for the devolution conference as we have set as the target we have.
Chingaki motimoko motambe okagere gochaki wiki mokorubono was August holiday nigobono abanyene mabogani okorwa sorogongorwa coast bare no gosemelio konene unamba chikwenyorera lige salinene lia bageni au bagotara chinsemo au aserogongorwa asenchira yokwegokia korengana no monyakirogo teneta mangana ya bonchorere be mabogani ase county yo ya coast osorongorwa coast Victor Shitaka nigaene kiribuna goikabono amabaga achakire koirwa amona bageni abo bagokora booking asabona enekire ebirengo bimerongo 5 igoro yemia yamabaga asemebogani au nigwairirwe tayare asogochaka erusa yomutyenyoyo nigoboigate bironde bwensi oganetie ko bookiribaga asorongorwa coast na bagokora boigo ikiagera amabaga natigarete asebono.
Very, very good figures. Hotels are full, both MICE business and holidays. Now, in fact, schools are closing next week, so there'll even be many more people coming to the coast.
The hotels are not in direct competition. We complement each other because of the high numbers that we've been experiencing. So we're expecting in August occupancies of above 86%. And I'd say that confidently for the other hotels also around us.
Flight Dubai is coming in. Ethiopian Airlines have been asking, and they have been given a second flight to come in here 4 times a week. KLM is asking to come in. We are looking to bring Turkish Airlines.
Na umwanchu muligereria ebyombe au gati ya Bolo Society of Kenya Human Rights nebyombe binde nigo bigenderete gwikia ebina byabo ase kigambiro elyo kwamereria ogochika wekigambiro ki appeal gwanchira engana ya finance bill yo mwaka bw'ekirumi 2023 gochaka gokora emirimo abarai korase kyombe kyo kia LSK bakoragwa no president Eric Deuri nigo bono baikirie kina se kigambiro asibaga netie kigambire kenene gotenenia ogochiko kwo no gochaka kona chokwe bango anene yemo nuguta Isano asatebirum na bakenya bokonyora wanse na buba bwate mechando monoge korenganiwa na bali bakonyora okonyora kwa igoro nigo bono baikirie kinekyo aseke gambero bali no kwegenda buna ekigambere kenene ngechie gotenenia na gotuguterare engana ya Finance Act Bill 2023
application which we had filed earlier seeking to stop the implementation of the housing fund be heard before the court can determine the question of the validity of the housing fund.
Mwanchu muligereria chidekani komina Isano chabutokire mega Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabano mubaso Amayia senchira yobwenge no to wikero mwerio asebire biga kurende to baisa gusuka korwa Ndizi TV nero bwansu Gusii kyagera mange nchirare gocha asamangana ito ye Chinsa chiko bwatya oinyero muraibwense no arase county ya Nyeri ase ensemo ya Sagana Lodge asagendete wikirana amasabo n'abanyene bayigo abakristo korwase enseme yonyora nigara sorgongoro Mount Kenya ase taraye ya matuko 5 asara igore na gochake merobiri ya magenderero asabamenyi borogongoro ayo ngati yali amange oranyore ase Chinsa chiko bwate ngwakangambia mono asibali mwato bwatire wetera se mitandao yaito ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital abo Facebook na bego Ndizi TV News ensemo ya YouTube olione kiabuna maliogie bicha ya wikeire asenchira engi yake gima nigakoro kwa Joshua Uta na inche nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.